What's up, YouTube? I want to do a quick little unboxing of this delivery I got today. Terrifier 3 special collector's edition package. I got it from Amazon. I believe this is only sold on Amazon. Maybe sold elsewhere, but I've only seen it on Amazon. That's where I got it from. So I just want to open it up with you guys right here, right now. Do this real quick. Just a little random video. I have no knife. Using my bare hands. Decided to do this on a whim. So pardon me. So far, my opinion, part 1 was the best. Part 1 had a true, gritty, sinister feeling to it. Art the Clown was in its true form in part 1. Part 2 I wasn't a fan of, really. Part 3 was an improvement over part 2. But part 3 was not better than part 1. So for right now, the line of succession for the Terrifier series to me is part 1 first, then part 3 second, part 2 last. We'll see what part 4, which is supposed to be the conclusion of the story, has in store. But I'm a fan of the whole series in general. I think it's a great horror, fun movie. So, what do we have here? We have Art the Clown collectible mini mask. Put that to the side. What else we have here? We have Art the Clown, Damien Leone's Terrifier 3 barf bag. This vomit bag is provided due to the extreme nature of the film you're about to watch. Yeah. If you threw up because of a Terrifier movie, I don't know what to tell you. It's not that serious. Yeah, it's violent, but it's, cheesy violent. Old school 80s violent. You could tell it's obviously fake. It's not like realistic. Not something that'll make you squeamish or disturbed. Well, not for me. I love these type of movies. Anyway, here's these Polaroids. It looks like there's, how many in there? Looks like there's about 4. Do I want to open this? I don't know if I want to open it. Should I open it for you guys? I'll open it for you guys. And these are the Polaroids. What else do we have in here? We have soap. Art's Secret Soap. The best for blood-stained hands. Lavender. Art Secret Soap. Alright, so we got the Polaroids, Art Secret Soap, the mask, the barf bag. That's nuts. We have here, what is this? Oh, Christmas ornament to hang on a Christmas tree. It's art with Santa's face around his neck. How sweet. Oh, Merry Christmas. So this is a Christmas ornament that you hang up on a tree. I have kids, so this will be going up on my tree. I could put it up all the way at the top, but they'll still see it and they'll notice it. And they're like, what's that? And then the wife will go nuts. Like, why are you putting this on my tree? Especially with this chick over here with the Jesus stone crown on her head. My wife will go nuts putting that on a Christmas tree. But anyway, this is a Christmas tree ornament. So far we got the Polaroids, mini mask, barf bag, Art Secret Soap, double-sided Christmas tree ornament, and the movie 4K Ultra HD, of course. It is a hologram, old school retro vibe there. Art is as much a horror icon as Michael, Jason, and Freddy. He's almost there. I think he needs one more movie. He needs a extremely big budget, like without watering it down. An extremely big budget, high quality, balls to the walls Terrifier movie from like New Line Cinema and Warner Brothers. That'll, you know, be huge, go mainstream, but still be true to itself, still be ultra violent, but have that big budget. Then it'll truly be among the legends of Michael, Jason, and Freddy, in my opinion. Just needs that one release. It's a bit dusty from all of this filler here. What is the other? That's the slip cover. This is the actual disc. Hardcover. This is in 4K Ultra HD, but it is not in Dolby Vision. I see no Dolby. It has Dolby Atmos, DTS, Dolby Atmos. I do not see Dolby Vision. I don't even think it's in HDR. I see no HDR10. No HDR10 symbol, no HDR10 plus symbol. All I have is Dolby Atmos and 4K. So I guess it's just a basic 4K, no HDR. Which I get. Terrifier is still a low budget movie. Still an independent, pretty much independent movie. But anyway, there you have it. Just wanted to give you guys a quick look. So we have the Terrifier 3 hologram slipcover. All this filler here that is currently ruining my Polaroids. Oh, look at this. I didn't even notice this one. Oh, cool. It's a pen. Yep. A lapel pin. Art the Clown Christmas lapel pin. Then you have the 4K Blu-ray. It's not a steelbook. It's a hologram slip cover. Lapel pin. Polaroids. Of art. Christmas ornament. Christmas tree ornament. Art the Clown mini mask. Art Krispies. One thing I do not like about the movies, the Terrifier movies, the use of the gun. Anytime he pulls out the freaking gun here, he did it in all 3 movies. Anytime he pulls out that damn gun and uses a gun to kill someone, it just takes away from the whole thing, in my opinion. Please, don't let him use it. Like, that's just I know, Damian Leone. I know you're Italian. You got the Tommy gun in there. I know, I get it. But come on, man. No Tommy guns. No handguns. Takes away from the whole aura of the movie. He Art pulling out a gun and shooting somebody in the head. Like, come on, man. The soap in the barf bag. So this collector's edition you can get from Amazon for $100. Is it worth $100? I don't know. You tell me. I'm a fan, so I got it. All right. So that's it of it. And it comes in this red Terrifier 3. Damian Leone's Terrifier 3 box. I'm gonna watch this on my trusty Panasonic UB9000 Ultra HD 4K player, the best 4K player in the market. No other 4K player worth buying besides this one. And I'll watch that either down here on my Sony Bravia 8 or upstairs on my 83-inch A80L. We'll see.